How to land RC airplanes in windy conditions. Have you ever tried landing an RC airplane when the wind is kicking up? It can be quite a challenge, but with the right techniques, you can master it. Let's break down how to land your RC airplane safely even when the wind is not on your side. First, always approach your landing facing into the wind. This is key because it reduces your ground speed and gives you better control during that final descent. If you need to, it is perfectly fine to land at an angle to the runway to minimize the effects of crosswinds. Next, managing your throttle and airspeed is essential. Keep your throttle slightly higher than normal to maintain enough airspeed against any gusts. Cutting power too early can lead to stalling or losing control, especially in turbulent air. When it comes to control inputs, smooth and gradual movements are your best friends. Wind can cause sudden shifts, so make gentle adjustments. Abrupt movements can destabilize your airplane and lead to a rough landing. If your airplane has flaps, consider using partial flaps instead of full flaps in strong winds. Full flaps can slow your plane down too much and reduce stability, making it harder to control during landing. Now, if you are dealing with a crosswind, you will want to use the crab technique. This means approaching with the nose slightly pointed into the wind to counteract any drift. Just before you touch down, straighten the nose to align with the runway. This prevents side loading on your landing gear. Once you have touched down, keep flying the plane with throttle control to maintain stability. Wind can cause your airplane to roll backward or flip if you cut power too soon or try to turn sharply. Avoid making any immediate turns right after landing. Before your final approach, practice descending circles above the landing area. This allows you to adjust to the wind conditions and set up a steady approach. It also gives you a chance to gauge how the wind is affecting your airplane. Lastly, always be ready to go around if your approach becomes unstable due to wind gusts. It is perfectly okay to abort the landing and climb back up for another attempt. For RC toy enthusiasts, mastering these landing techniques can help protect your models, especially lightweight foam airplanes that are more sensitive to wind. Practicing in windy conditions will build your skills and confidence, allowing you to enjoy flying even when the weather is not ideal. So, next time the wind picks up, remember these tips to land your RC airplane safely.